Hello and welcome back to Easy How-To Videos. Today we're going to show you a simple yet incredibly useful skill, how to bookmark websites. Bookmarking allows you to save your favorite site for quick access. Whether you're a beginner or just want a quick refresher, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First, navigate the website you want to bookmark. Once you're on the page, look at the address bar at the top. To bookmark a site, simply click the star icon at the right end on the address bar. A dialog box will appear, allow you to customize the bookmark's name and choose where you want to save it. By default, Chrome suggests a name based on the website title. Once you're satisfied with the name and location, click Done. To access your bookmark, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Hover your cursor over Bookmark and you'll see a submenu. Click on Bookmarks Manager. This will open the Bookmark Manager, where you can see all your saved bookmarks. You can organize your bookmark into folders for easy access. To create a new folder, right-click on any bookmark and select Add New Folder. Give your folder a name and click Save. Now you can drag and drop bookmarks into folders to keep them organized. There you have it. Bookmarking website is a fancy way to keep your favorite site at your fingertips. Whether it's for work, research, or entertainment, bookmarks are your best friend in the world of web browsing. Thanks for watching Easy How-To videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Easy How-To videos. If you have any question or topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time and happy bookmarking!